In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make 2 accounts on Dragon Ball Legends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily manage and sign into 2 accounts on the same device for Dragon Ball Legends. So, the first requirement for you to do this is that you link both accounts to some sort of recovery system. So this can be done by accessing the menu and then going over to Other. When you select Other, you will find Data Transfer Settings. This is how you can link this account to either a Google account or a Google Play account if you are on Android. If you are on iOS, you are going to see a different option in place of this. But basically, you need to link the first account to some sort of recovery, meaning that you will be able to resume this account by using either Google or the Google Play Games account or whatever the equivalent is on an iOS device. So you will do the same for the secondary account, and whenever you want to switch between them, you just log into the respective Google or Google Play or iOS account. Once this is done, you can now back out of the game, so return to title, and there are 2 options that you can consider to go back to the login screen as if you were assigning a new account. Usually you are also going to get that warning at the top. So all that you have to do here in the login screen is to tap on Support at the bottom right corner, and you will be able to find Data Transfer Settings like I mentioned, and as long as this is good to go, you will be able to switch accounts. So you can tap the Delete User Account, and what this is going to allow you to do, as you can see here, is delete user data from this device. If you delete your user data, you can start a new game from the beginning. Please be aware that if you have not set up your data transfer settings, there is no way to recover your user data. However, because we did the data transfer settings process, like I mentioned, you are good to go, you are safe. So you will be able to resume the progress at any time. So just tap delete user data and proceed. Alternatively, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, you can also uninstall Dragon Ball Legends completely and download the game again from the Google Play Store or the App Store. But by deleting the user data, as I'm going to demonstrate here, you will begin anew. So it is essentially as if you just installed the game. Of course, like I said, after this process is done, you restart and you go back to the main menu, you will still be able to find the option to just use your previous data. So as you can see, you have this option. I'm going to tap no, but if you wanted to go back to that account, you can just tap that instead. This is all you have to do. It is extremely simple, and you will always have the option to link new accounts and just switch between accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to make 2 accounts on Dragon Ball Legends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.